These are the live photos you took before. Not only is the cover photo off color, but the video is blurry too. And these are the live photos I took with the Vivo S60. Not only is the cover as high definition as the video, but the colors are also highly consistent. This is the newly upgraded 4K native feel live on the Vivo S60.
I want to turn on both the 4K and original sound live buttons in the live photo interface to capture high definition, consistent live photos from cover to frame with one tap. These live photos feel seamless and natural every time they move, just like playing a 4K video.
Select starlight mode in the personalized styles. Now the highlights in the live photo turn into sparkling starbursts, looking very dreamy and soothing. Especially when they flicker along with the motion, the atmosphere is truly elevated. Besides starlight mode, it also adds several film styles. Not only are there the familiar Polaroid positive and negative film styles, but also cinematic styles like holiday film and so on. I have to say, the live photos taken with these styles are incredibly atmospheric. There is also the newly upgraded Inspiration Cutout Live feature. Now, you can directly add live stickers to your live photos. These stickers can be people or objects, supporting automatic cutout, free scaling, and arbitrary combinations. You can shrink yourself down to fit in your own palm like this. After returning from a trip, you can create a vivid and exquisite dynamic scrapbook. When hanging out with friends, you can even make funny memes. These ways to play are truly so creative. In addition, cinematic effects like highlights, slow motion, and the Hitchcock zoom can be applied with one tap in the effects menu, making every shot look professional. Beyond the rich motion photo features, the camera hardware is also flagship grade. Specifically, this large sensor main camera with optical image stabilization offers greater light intake and superior stabilization, allowing for high definition natural portraits even in backlit scenes. It also supports the same dual view video recording found on flagship models, making handheld shots steadier and clearer. The one I have here is in the summer green colorway, featuring AG matte glass paired with a fresh light green tone that looks exceptionally refreshing and soothing this summer. The 6.59-inch body has a rounded transition on the middle frame, making it feel both ergonomic and smooth in the hand. The front features a super narrow bezel design with large rounded corners, offering a very comfortable visual experience. It also comes with ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking, which is both fast and accurate. Battery life is another highlight. Both the standard and Vitality versions are equipped with a massive 7,200 mAh Blue Ocean battery and support 90-watt ultra-fast charging. With both battery life and fast charging covered, plus clearer live image quality and more fun creative features. Do you like this Vivo S60?